At LimeLoop, we're really looking to make the supply chain system more sustainable and efficient. So we're doing that by starting off by replacing all single-use packaging. So think of kind of that cardboard and the poly mailers you get when you order something online with our smart reusable option.
So who are you actually dealing with? You're dealing with the parcel companies, the companies doing the shifting, the consumers.
Yes, yeah, all of the above. But in terms of our direct customers, the retailers themselves. So we work directly with the retailers. We provide them with a fleet of our shippers and the access to our software. Then they use those shippers when they're filling orders for their consumers.
Great. I mean, I assume that sustainability is something that all of these companies are thinking about already. Do they not have the option of these kind of sustainable, reusable packages?
That's a great question. I would say yes. It's interesting because I feel like we're all overburdened by all of these cardboard boxes, and it feels like it's this huge problem. But really, it came up overnight. E-commerce grew much faster than any of us thought, and then we found ourselves surrounded by these boxes. So I think that retailers now are waking up to the fact that consumers are fed up with it and looking for solutions.
Great. And you're dealing with existable, reusable packaging companies, or how are you actually sourcing these materials and packages?
Yeah, so we actually designed our own reusable shippers. So the first fleet of shippers that we're working with actually use upcycled materials. So billboard vinyl, so literally billboards ads you see on the side of the highway. We're using that material, diverting it from the landfill, and it's already naturally lightweight, durable, and waterproof. So it was a really great solution for us.
Great. And this is something that's actually available now? Are there companies out in the world that are currently using this?
There are. We're working with 30 retailers in the US, ranging in size from small SMBs to large enterprise companies.
Can you give me any specifics or any names?
Yeah, of course. A really great outdoor retail company, Toad & Co., that we've been working with from the very beginning, and a really great place to test and learn and to get access to our shippers, as well as some really great reusables in terms of UpChoose. So UpChoose is a really great baby clothing company where you rent baby clothes, which is perfect because they grow so quickly, and the shippers really lend themselves to that model of having to return things on a regular basis as well.
Great. And how scalable is this? You mentioned that you have a handful of partners already, but if Target or Amazon or whoever knocked on your door overnight, do you get the sense that you'd be able to scale up pretty quickly?
Yeah, funny you mentioned that. We're actually a Target Tech Accelerator company. So the hope is, obviously, yes. And the idea and the goal is to be the way that you ship anything, whether you're sending something, a birthday gift to your grandmother, or a big company like a Target or a Walmart is shipping directly to you. And so the model works at any size. It actually works better the bigger it is, because then it allows us to send shippers to the closest place of need as opposed to back to the original retailer. So the more people that buy into the program, the better and more efficient it becomes.
Great. Chantel, thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Thank you.